Chinese calligraphy is called shufa, which means rules of writing. Chinese writing is almost 2,000 years old. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write on rice paper and how to write on ordinary paper using a brush and a pen, respectively. The first three strokes of the character look like a roof to protect the family. When you press down on a brush, the strokes become thicker, and when you lift up the brush gradually, the stroke becomes thinner. By altering the pressure of the brush in this manner, you can achieve the traditional writing style of Chinese calligraphy. This is how you write on normal paper or card using pen.